Have you ever wondered what sets highly effective people apart in pursuing success and fulfillment? In The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen R. Covey unveils a roadmap for a thriving life through 7 transformative habits. Unlike routine tasks like brushing your teeth, these habits are profound principles that shape your mindset and actions, steering you toward success and fulfillment. Habits such as taking initiative, envisioning your desired life, and prioritizing important matters over urgent ones constitute a comprehensive approach to living intentionally. Covey's 7 habits, like puzzle pieces, fit together to help you reshape your character, motives, and perspective. From seeking mutual benefits and empathetic listening to collaborative problem-solving and self-renewal, these habits provide a holistic framework for personal and professional effectiveness. Let's go over them one by one. But before we continue, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to be notified for more videos like this. Habit 1. Take charge. The first habit, take charge or be proactive, as labeled by Covey, is about being the instigator of change in your life. It's not just about doing something. It's a shift in your thinking that lays the foundation for personal growth and success. Why does it matter? According to Covey, this habit is fundamental because taking charge is the key to adopting new behaviors. Instead of being pushed around by outside influences, being proactive gives you the power to shape your thoughts and actions, giving you control over your life. Taking charge is more than just reacting. It means actively choosing how you respond. Experts say that feeling in control leads to more happiness, motivation, less stress, better physical health, and improved communication and problem-solving skills. So, how do you make this habit a part of your life? Start by sorting out your concerns. If it's something you can control, change your behavior accordingly. This includes adjusting your master system, which entails your mental and emotional state, self-talk, values, beliefs, and memories, as suggested by Robbins. If the concern involves others, influence their behavior by changing how you interact, using strategies like social proof, showing that others are already doing what you want. And if the issue is beyond your influence, like the past, accept it. Instead of dwelling on the problem, focus on the present moment as a strategy to cultivate a proactive mindset. Habit 2. Picture the life you want. Covey encourages us to start a journey of self-discovery and purposeful living. This habit is crucial in creating a meaningful life by figuring out who we want to be and what really matters. Covey's idea is that we need to imagine the life we want before we can make it happen. By clearly picturing our personal goals and dreams, we create a mental anchor that helps us stay focused, even when life gets busy and distracting. And you know what? This habit has 2 parts. First, there's a reflective exercise where we imagine ourselves at the end of our lives, thinking about the impact we want to have and the legacy we want to leave. This helps us define who we are and what we want. Another approach is considering priorities over different time frames, from 1 month to several years. The second part of Habit 2 is about creating a personal mission statement. This statement acts like a compass, summarizing our identity, long-term goals, and the values that guide our actions. Regularly looking at and updating this mission statement ensures it stays relevant and accurately reflects our aspirations. Habit 3. Focus on what's important, not just urgent. Covey discusses managing time effectively by aligning actions with personal mission statements. This habit guides handling life's demands, encouraging people to prioritize tasks that truly matter over those that are only urgent. Why is this important? Covey says that organizing tasks based on urgency and importance is key to positively impacting our lives. He introduces a time management matrix inspired by President Eisenhower, which sorts tasks into 4 groups: Category 1 includes tasks that are both urgent and important, often causing crises. Category 2 has tasks that are not urgent but important, bringing long-term benefits. Categories 3 and 4 involve tasks that are urgent but not important, and tasks that are neither urgent nor important, respectively. Successful people spend most of their time in Category 2, focusing on activities that align with their goals, values, and personal mission statement. So, how can you start? Covey recommends weekly planning as the most effective tool for managing time and achieving goals. By breaking tasks into weekly plans, individuals can ensure essential tasks are dealt with promptly while staying flexible for unexpected events. The planning process involves identifying roles like being an employee or volunteer, setting 1 or 2 goals for each role in the upcoming week, assigning specific days to achieve each goal, scheduling time for activities that recharge and revitalize, keeping some open, unscheduled time to handle the unexpected. Habit 4. Find solutions that benefit everyone. Covey introduces a new way of solving problems and making agreements called the win-win mindset, which he argues helps in building successful collaborations through strong relationships and effective interactions. While the first 3 habits are about personal success, Covey says habits 4, 6 are about achieving success through strong relationships. Habit 4, in particular, is about seeing every interaction as a chance to find solutions that make everyone involved happy. Basically, the win-win mindset is about working together instead of against each other. It ensures that one person's success doesn't mean someone else loses. This not only strengthens the current relationship but also sets the stage for more successful collaborations in the future, encouraging new ideas and mutual growth. Once you adopt the win-win mindset, Covey gives practical tips for finding solutions that benefit everyone. Understand the other person's viewpoint. Try to see things from the other person's perspective. This goes beyond just understanding. It involves changing their perspective to find solutions that work for everyone. Talk about concerns in a fair way. Clearly talk about what each person is worried about, building trust and understanding. A tactic like calculated empathy can help to build trust by acknowledging the other person's feelings. Figure out what success means for everyone. Decide what a win looks like for each person involved. Sometimes, desires and fears can distract from the main goals in negotiations. Come up with new ideas. Together, work together to create new and innovative solutions that match the goals everyone agreed on. Objective criteria like market values can help measure how well a solution benefits each person. Habit 5. Understand others by listening first. In the 5th habit, Covey talks about the important role of empathic listening in good communication. This habit is about trying to understand and connect with others before making them understand you. Covey believes that finding solutions that benefit everyone, a theme from earlier habits, depends on really understanding where others are coming from. This means not just hearing their words, but also understanding their feelings. Covey thinks this kind of listening is crucial for building strong connections and communicating well. Studies support this idea, showing that effective listening goes beyond empathy and includes giving supportive and helpful responses. Covey suggests some practical things to get better at empathic listening. Watch for nonverbal signals. Practice looking at people from a distance and figuring out how they feel just by watching their body language. This helps sharpen your skill at understanding without words. See things from others' perspectives. During arguments or discussions, challenge yourself to explain the situation from the other person's point of view. Then share your own viewpoint from their perspective. This exercise helps you understand different opinions better. Get feedback from others. Explain the idea of empathic listening to friends or family and ask them to give feedback on how well you've been listening to them empathically for a week. This outside perspective can give you valuable insights into your listening skills. Habit 6. Work together for better results. Covey talks about synergy, the idea that when people collaborate, they can achieve more than each person working alone. He believes teamwork creates something extra, like when two singers harmonize and make beautiful music together. Covey thinks that, by working together, you can get even better results than just adding up what each person does. He compares it to 1 + 1 = 3 or more, showing how collaboration adds extra value. To make this work, you must focus on mutual benefits, Habit 4, and listen to each other, Habit 5. According to Covey, this not only gives you better results right away, but also builds strong relationships for future teamwork. Studies show that when people feel trusted, their brains release chemicals that make them more likely to collaborate and be productive. Covey also talks about internal synergy, which means finding a balance between thinking logically and using intuition. He says that life has both logical and emotional parts, and you must consider both to work well with others. To make collaboration effective, Covey suggests some practical tips. Build strong relationships. Create an environment where team members can build strong relationships because trust is crucial for working together. Give freedom in work styles. Let people choose how they work because different approaches contribute to a rich collaborative environment. Celebrate team successes. Publicly and quickly, acknowledge and celebrate the team's successes. This helps create a positive culture of collaboration. Habit 7. Take care of yourself. In the last habit, Covey talks about the importance of keeping yourself well to make the other habits work. This is like the foundation for always growing in your personal and work life. Covey really wants us to understand that staying healthy in body and mind is crucial. It helps us avoid getting too tired, be more productive, and do things better. He thinks that when we take care of ourselves, it's like a cycle that keeps going up, making us grow more and more. And not just that, taking care of ourselves also helps us handle stress better and see self-care as more than just a quick fix. Covey suggests 4 things to take care of yourself. Take care of your body, eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep and relaxation. Take care of your spirit. Do things that make you feel connected, like praying, meditating, reading, or spending time in nature. It helps you feel balanced inside. Take care of your mind. Keep your mind healthy by reading, writing, and learning new things. It's like giving your brain a workout. Take care of your emotions and relationships. Covey says that being good with people and talking well with them is vital for feeling good. This is like using the teamwork ideas from Habits 4. 6. Building strong relationships and communicating well helps your emotions stay positive. Now, are you ready to start incorporating these 7 habits into your life for a more effective and fulfilling journey ahead? Leave a comment below. If you loved this video summary, subscribe and watch our other summaries of your favorite books.